Hmm?
Pampilo Lacson said, Macho, you should not abandon elderly
Oh,
parents. I
there
was
we
like,
go.
okay, Dad, I did not abandon
Finally.
you, Dad.
Finally, I get. Where are you going? I'm finished.
Allah, you should not abandon Daddy. That's what the Ping Lacson said.
Hmm.
You should take care of Daddy, especially when he's drunk.
Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Should love Daddy, okay? And take care of Daddy, not abandon him. Scratch, scratch. Call him Dad.
Why did you come here and care for me?
Oh,
Care for me?
say, I care about you, Dad.
What care do you do? Where's the
It's like,
care?
Ma, you take care of Daddy, Ma. You take care of Daddy, Ma.
Where's the care? You do nothing.
Where's the care of you from? Where's the care of for Daddy from you?
Useless talaga.
Okay, I'll give this to you, and you go to Tatay. Take care of Tatay. He's drunk. Go to Tatay. Diba? Call him mahal.
Come here. Care for me.
Where's the care from you
Where's
to
my boy?
Tatay? Acho.
Fucking useless.
Hala, you're useless daw, bebe. Huy.
We care about his food.
Oh, Daddy, oh. Give this to him,
No,
Dad.
I'm not giving her anything.
Oh, macho.
The only thing I want to give him is
Agoy, macho.
smack in the
Oh,
face.
Tatay, give it to you.
No. I'm not giving him anything.
You think you're useless, macho.
Dogs are loyal. He's not a dog.
She spoiled him too much. He thinks he is a human.
I didn't spoil him.
Yes, you did.
How? Here we go.
Like, like you give him everything. You put him on your bed, sleep beside you. Now he's like, okay, Dad, give me food. I'll sleep beside you, Dad.
I
Or I'll
don't
put my
care.
bed to Mama's
Go
side.
sleep in your cage. I'll go put you in your cage. Match our cage. You want to go? Match your cage?
So no, Dad. I'll stay with you, Dad.
Hmm?
I'll stay with you, Dad.
Matcha? You go to your cage?
Yes.
You stay there all night.
Hala.